Medicare Advantage companies offer a variety of extra benefits, and they can all change those benefits from year to year, and they can have very different benefits from their competitors. But one thing that's kind of crept in the last 4 years is their interest in getting you more active. So they would, I don't know if anybody's doing it right now, but a couple years ago, they would pay for you to get a new pair of running shoes, which running shoes are expensive. I thought that was interesting. Then they went to, we'll reimburse you for a pair of running shoes. Then most companies kind of got away from that this year. But you've seen fitness trackers, Fitbit's really popular, step counters, continuous glucose monitors. There's a whole bunch of different, what the industry calls wearables, stuff that you wear either all day long or you put on at some point to transmit data to the insurance company. The insurance company wants to keep you healthier. So what they're doing is they're saying, okay, if you participate in our step program and you get so many steps a month, we'll give you $25 per month for your over-the-counter benefits that we'll put in your account so that you can spend it at the pharmacy for things that are non-prescription, non-alcohol, tobacco. You're like, cool, I was gonna walk the steps anyway. This gives me a little incentive to get a little extra from the insurance company. And they're all kind of copying this. The government, Medicare itself, is very much pro moving into wearables. And what I mean wearables, like could be a Fitbit, could be a smartwatch. It could be one of those things you wear that alert somebody if you've fallen. It could be a Bluetooth blood pressure cuff that you do at home to keep your blood pressure. So normally we see our doctor, at the most once a quarter. If we have a chronic condition, we might go quarterly, and most of us go less than that. So your doctor only gets a couple data points during the year to look at you, where if they have your blood pressure every day, they have a lot better idea what's really going on with you. So the concept is that we're going to give up and wear some of this stuff, some are part of the time, so that more data will go to our doctor, and our doctor will get paid more to keep us healthy. The insurance companies get paid more for outcomes. The government wants to switch from them just treating us. They want to switch to treating us and showing it that they got us healthier. They didn't just get money for next. They got money for, Sylvia's A1C is down. She's no longer pre-diabetic because the incentive plans they've had for me to get, less sedentary, to get off my butt and get more steps in. And the insurance company incentivized me by giving me $50, a $50 gift card every month for every month that I hit my steps so many days. So this is very interesting because right away you're going to go, what? Just another thing that they can hack, and that somebody's going to be in my life finding out exactly when I sleep. They're hacking my CPAP machine. They're hacking my glucose monitor. They're hacking my everything. And I think you're probably right. That's probably how that's going to look, and that all that data will be bought and sold on the black market, and there's really nothing we can do about it. Right now, with the Medicare Advantage companies that have these incentives, they're voluntary. Look, hear it. You don't have to do it. But what will happen is it will become less voluntary. And it will become, if you don't do it, you get less benefits. So right now it's nice. We're all playing nice. They want everybody to adopt it. But eventually it'll be, if you're like, nah, I don't want to. I don't want to do that. You will have lower extra benefits. They don't have to give you everything they give you on the extras side. On the healthcare side, that's required by Medicare, doctor visit, outpatient, inpatient, ER, all that. But the extras, the dental, the vision, the hearing aids, the transportation, all those little extras, they don't have to give you all that, and they don't have to give everybody the same amount. So that's where we're going to see a big incentive to play by their new rules, and a disincentive if you don't want to play by their new rules. So that's coming. If you are getting ready to start Medicare, I'm sure you have a lot more questions than about this very weird, rare topic about wearables. Book a free appointment with our team. We're licensed in all 50 states. Go to our website, themedicarefamily.com. Our help is free. You'll see a yellow button to schedule your appointment. Click there. We can help get you ready for Medicare. If you're already on Medicare and you're not happy, you need to make changes, book an appointment as well, because this is never one and done. You are constantly changing. Your health is changing, maybe what drugs you take, what doctors you use, you may be moving. And of course, the insurance laws are changing. The federal laws, the laws in your state, insurance plans are changing. There's so much changing. You need a professional that can keep you up to date, can hold your hand and guide you through this crazy maze that is Medicare. We'd love to help you. We're a third-generation family business. If you like this video, please hit the follow button. Share it with your friends. Your friends are probably the same age, ready for retirement as well. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment. If you have a specific question, always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.